Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. This is a 6 days old wash and go. I don't feel like washing my hair, but if I leave my hair like this, detangling will be a hot mess. So in today's video, I just want to show you how I get from an old wash and go to these juicy twists. It's not a twist out tutorial, but more a moisturizing tutorial. Can we call it a moisturizing tutorial? Yes, we can. Yes, okay. So just sit back, relax, and keep on watching. I start with sectioning the hair, but as you see, it's not easy. It's very muy importante to be gentle with your hair. Take your time. I'm making jumbo large twists because the girl has been lazy forever. I'm not planning to go nowhere, so jumbo twist will do. I spritz the hair with water and I try to detangle a little bit. I use this twisting pudding and it's amazing. I start at the ends and work my way up. And I use a little bit of the reparative hair oil. All the product details will be in the description box down below. Now my hair is much softer and easier to finger detangle. And then I use my wide tooth comb. I use a little bit more product on the ends and then I start twisting. More product, yes, and then I use my denim brush to make the curls juicy-licious. I repeat the same steps on the rest of the hair. So in the front, I love to do flat twists because it's less time consuming. And also when unraveling, you don't have to do much separation. The flat twists separate the hair itself. And that's it. I leave my hair like this until I need to go somewhere or the next wash day. I didn't unravel my twist on camera because I have so many twist out tutorials. You can click the link on the screen to see my recent twist out tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Until the next time. Bye!